Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You are officially back in the GSXR. Well, we are headed to potentially get the worst fucking customer service on the planet. We are headed back to Speedway Market for some, you guessed it, Mega milk, daddy. I'm the mega milk, daddy. I'm the mega milk. I'm the mega milk, daddy. I'm the mega milk. Crisscross will make you want to eat cereal. Crisscross will make you. Gotta come at this stop sign right here at an angle like that because I can't turn my head far enough over because the street's like that. Oh, little old school ski boat, 91 Sanger, it looks like. But anyways, that street over there, that fucking stop sign, it's fucked up because the angle of the road is like that and the stop sign street comes like that. So you come up to it and you look left 90 degrees as far as I can look, maybe a little bit more, so I can't see what's coming from only being able to see this much. I gotta pull up to that motherfucker like that so I can look up the street. That's James Road right there. That leads out to the oil fields, and motherfuckers be hauling ass trying to just book it home. Alright, here we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what kind of customer service we get, if any. Alright. So far, nothing.
Am I the meanest?
2%. Yeah. Maybe she can't see me if she's not gonna look up in there.
Am I the prettiest?
Okay. Hi.
How you doing?
Good, yourself? Man, you got it made right here. And it's nice and cool.
Much better than out there.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you what. It's a little warm. A little warm. How's your day going?
Alright, just got here.
Oh. So you haven't been here long enough to get jaded.
Sure enough. Am I the baddest mofo low down around this time? Sure enough. Well, who am I? Sure enough. Who am I? Sure enough. I can't hear you.
Start hating live.
Do you want your receipt?
Yes, please. What's your name?
Gracie?
Gracie? Let me tell you what, Gracie, you have been the nicest employee and the nicest employee interaction, customer interaction that I have ever had here.
Really?
Yeah, ever. Yeah, it's a trip. I gotta come in, no hello, no how are you, how's your day, no nothing.
Grab the children! Save the children!
Okay.
Like it stunned me. I was in shock that you actually said, like, greeted me and like said hello. Or you said even a word.
Don't fuck with me! I tell you, no fucking kiss!
Like I'm like, that's awesome. It's really cool. I didn't think it was ever gonna happen.
I think you pull somebody's jawbone off. I think it.
Come in a lot. You start making friends in here, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your mom okayed the
Damn it.
September.
You have a good one.
You too.
Well, I'll be damned.
He needs some milk!
That shit's just crazy, man.
Y'all go help her, y'all!
Y'all, he gonna die. He having a seizure. I bet you, Sparkle.
No, he needs some milk!
Crazy, I say. Gotta clean the rims. Gotta do something about those grips, or just buy some new grips because they're getting dirty. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. Yeah, I'm just gotta clean the rims up. Put a little wax on there. Oh, yep. See the rubber on the plastics down there. I'm gonna have to get some hot soapy water. Give baby a bath. Give old Betsy a bath. Finally. I didn't think I was ever gonna get a fucking greeting at this fucking joint. I'm still so excited and in shock that I can't even remember what she said.
I knew you going soft. Dinner's gonna be cold tonight, asshole.
Did she say, "Hi, how are you doing?" "Hi, how are you?" Or I honestly can't remember.
Shut the fuck up! Think you was gonna get me, motherfucker? Huh? You need to sit your little sexy ass down and watch yourself get killed now.
Oh, squashing my nuts. I'll never forget that nut squashing I just had. What the fuck? Not cool, man. Not fucking cool at all. Woo! Secondary slow fuck. Fucking drop off right there, man. Secondary throttle valve actuator. Woo! Can really feel it. It's like a little turbo in there, a little power band. It's rad. Alright guys, well, finally got that fucking customer service that was worth a shit, man. Got treated like a fucking human being. Didn't think it was ever gonna happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little trip. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications, and we will catch you in the next one. But until then, peace.